Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to IITC channel. This is Ved Prakash Singh from IITC. Today and now we are explaining the element number 13 of a safety management system. If you have gone through other elements of safety management system on IITC channel, you might have seen element number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 12. In all the presentation I have explained you that in safety management system sometimes there are 6 elements, 8 elements, 10 elements, 12 elements and 15 elements. So number of elements does not define whether the safety management system is strong or poor, wrong or right, proactive or reactive. Numbers are merely to indicate you, but we have to ensure in safety management system that everything related to safety should come in this umbrella. For the age of the team, for easy understanding, I have intentionally chosen 15 elements so that I can explain you every element one by one comfortably so that you can understand it. If you have the system, if you want to modify your safety management system, you can take up appropriately. In this element, we are going to see occupational health program. This is one of the critical element in terms of statutory requirement, in terms of positive culture, in terms of safety culture transformation. Guys, in this program we are going to see these questions, but not limited to. There are many more things in the presentation. Please hold this presentation till end so that you can get complete idea. Objective of occupational health program we are going to see. We are going to see what is a periodic health checkup and why it is to be done, and what do you mean by health surveillance, what do you mean by pre-employment health checkup and why to be done, what do you mean by REC technique, recognition, evaluation and control, identification, evaluation and control. Guys, my request is please subscribe the channel so that you can get all this information on time, and please do not forget to press this icon of bell, and you do not hesitate to send this link to your friends. Guys, as we described that we have taken a safety management system which has got 15 elements. Now we are on element number 13, which is occupational health program. I have described all these elements, and you can find out the video of all respective program in IITC channel. I would encourage you, request you to please go and search there and go through one by one when you have any doubt, any question, or when you have some time, when you want to upgrade your knowledge. I am sure you have all this knowledge. If you want to refresh it, rebrush it, please go through that. Guys, the main objective of this program is to protect all personnel from occupational diseases and illnesses, and to identify, evaluate and control the health hazards present in the workplace. What is identify, evaluate and control? This is very simple, like REC, recognize, evaluate and control all health related hazards in the workplace so that we can remove all the health related hazard, so that there is no illnesses, there is no health impact on longer run. Identify potential occupational health hazard related to work activity, processes, chemicals and production and equipment and shift, plant, process, equipment, chemicals and emergency. Material data sheet is available which says what are the health hazards available or are likely for respective chemicals. Please respect the MSDS advice. If you don't have MSDS, please contact your supplier so that they can give you the right hazards of that particular substances. Precautionary measures and safe work procedures has to be there for safe use, for handling, transport, storage and disposal and issuance of this chemical. Because if you don't have the SOP, and you know SOPs are made based on the JSA, JHA, JRA. What is JSA? Job safety analysis. What is JHA? Job hazard analysis. What is JRA? Job risk analysis. Guys, I have prepared a separate video for JSA, JHA, JRA. Please go through that video so that you understand how JSA can help you making the SOP. And this SOP is very important, which has got all precautions while handling, use, transport, dispose and issue these chemicals. Develop relevant occupational health programs which shall include noise conservation, respiratory program, industrial hygiene program. These programs should be known to all personnel in the factory, because personnel has to go for exposure monitoring, has to have noise monitoring, there should be illumination monitoring, there should be respiratory protection, there should be industrial hygiene programs. So there are many programs are available in health surveillance. We have to follow the health surveillance program depending on your substances, depending on the nature of substances, depending on the hazards of substances. The responsibilities of all individuals ranging from worker to the management pertaining to the implementation of the health program shall be clearly defined. Roles and responsibilities for each level, management level, middle management level, senior management level, bottom management level, workmen and contractors should be defined so that everybody should know what is their roles and responsibility while handling hazardous chemical. Where applicable, following methods of control should be used: elimination, substitution, engineering control, administrative control, personal protective equipment. Guys, there is a system or hierarchy of control of hazard: elimination, reduction, isolation, control, PPE, discipline. This principle is called as ERICPD, ERICPD. Guys, I have prepared a specific program for ERICPD, how to understand. If you have some doubt or query, I would request you to please go through a video of risk assessment in IITC channel. There is complete information given how to use REC, how to use ERICPD, how this principle can be used, how to control the hazard as per the hierarchy of control. And after that, a system has to be established to know the responsibility of person, to do a continuous monitoring, to do a personal monitoring, so that effectiveness of control measures are considered or understand. Occupational health programs to be reviewed periodically to ensure health of each and every individual. Now question is, as we discussed in the beginning, these are the basic minimum we are going to see it. Now let us go through that. If there is some doubt or question, let us go back to that. Objective of occupational health program: objective is to ensure that all health related hazards are identified, evaluated and controlled so that there is no health impact illnesses to workmen. What is periodic health checkup and health surveillance? Periodic health checkup is done as per the statutory requirement or company guideline to understand if there is any health impact of the hazardous chemical, hazardous processes on the people, and this is what called as health surveillance. Health surveillance, the doctor or advisor will, industrial hygienist will see it and they will advise the people according to the health report. What do you mean by pre-employment medical checkup? Pre-employment medical checkup is done for every new employee to define the baseline, so that when you do periodic medical checkup, you will understand if there is any deviation from the previous recorded baseline data to understand what is going wrong, so that we can take subsequent control measures if we have not taken. This is very reactive measure, but yes, this is part of process, we have to do it. What do you mean by REC? Recognition, evaluation, control. It is also known as IRC, identify, evaluate and control health hazard, so that we can minimize, we can contain health hazard, so that we can prevent illnesses and health related issues of our employee. Guys, I hope this short simple information video was useful for you. If you have requirement of other element, I would request to encourage you to please find out on YouTube channel, on IITC YouTube channel, so that you can get complete crystal clear information. If you have any doubt, please feel free to put into the comment section. Guys, with this, thank you very much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.